Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring you the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 29,606 new corona cases were reported. Total number of active cases is 3.70 lakhs. As of yesterday, 63.44 crore Indians got vaccinated. 5 states which accounts for almost 50% of the cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Yesterday in Mumbai, 333 new corona cases were reported. Facing a pushback not only from the industry but also from some sections of the government, Department of Commerce Affairs is learned to be revisiting some of provisions pertaining to the definition of related party and e-commerce entity proposed in the draft rule of e-commerce published in the month of June. Delhi government is planning to start school and colleges with 50% capacity from tomorrow. Bombay Municipal Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal said on Monday that they will implement COVID-19 rules strictly to prevent spread of COVID-19 in the Mumbai city in coming festival. As per this rule, any building reporting more than 5 COVID-19 cases will be sealed and no one will be allowed to enter or exit the building. Even domestic help and drivers will not be allowed to enter the building till the building is sealed. At least 5 women were killed and 2 persons were reportedly missing after they were trapped in the flood of debris following cloudburst in a village in Uttarakhand. Ride-sharing company Ola is planning to raise $1 billion through initial public offering. $1 was equal to 73.29 rupees. Bombay Stock Exchange surged 1.36% yesterday after the Federal Reserve Chairman informed that they are not in a hurry to increase the interest rate. BSE Sensex closed 765 points above the previous day closed and closed at 56,890 points, which is a record high so far. US shoots down rockets aimed at Kabul airport as final pullout starts. Maruti Suzuki informed that they are planning to increase the price of passenger vehicle in the month of September to meet increase in the input cost. This is third price rise during this calendar year by this company. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority has informed that the entry age of National Pension Scheme is now increased to 70 years from the 65 years. China expects shortage of skilled workers will be worsened over time as government develops its high technology industries, focusing attention to the training and education. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.